I was buying something from health-hunter and it has a VAT, so I think that it will be safe for me to shop. And this parcel arrived to me on Monday, which is Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday, 5 days apart, and I'm going to unbox it. So it comes with a very carefully packed box with stickers all around. I'm going to unbox it. I was buying above 70 euro to be entitled for a free delivery, and the customer service is really good. I asked them lots of things late around 8 o'clock at night on Thursday.
Apple product. Is this Apple product?
No.
It seems like an Apple box.
Yeah. It even has better packing than Apple product. And I bought some very interesting things here. So this is my receipt. And I'm going to knock. Okay, so the first item will be sodium hydroxide, which is this one. It will be very helpful to clean toilet and making soap, but there's a downside with it because it is extremely corrosive. So this thing, it will bubbles a lot when putting into water, so don't put it in a large clump. Just put a little bit and a little bit by each time, okay? The second thing will be the Lemongrass Essential Oil. Which one? Yeah, this one. And Geranium Essential Oil. And also the Cedarwood Essential Oil. Oh, this one is the rose one. Where's my cheddar oil? This one will be the vitamin E tocopherol and some different ingredients for moisturizing, such as squalane and this beta-acetosterol. And this bottle of glycerin is very hydrophilic, means it likes water. It will dissolve a lot of water in it. Yes, and this is the cedarwood that I've been looking for. Oh, so this bottle is a free sample. Thank you so much. I love it. And there are some snacks. It will be expired in December. I think it will be really nice. I'm really happy to receive this in coconut flavor, gluten-free chocolate bar. In this funny bottle, it contains aloe vera gel. It has the leaf extract. And also a bottle of cocoa glucoside, which is the plant-based glucose-based surfactant. From my research, I found that this is one of the most fine bubbling forming surfactant, which will be very good for forming very nice fine foam. And this small packet will be the vitamin C, sodium ascorbate, which is 10 grams. So this is everything that I have bought. Oh, sorry, this is not a free gift that I have bought this. It is rose oil 5% and other substances in bio soy oil. And I hope you'll like this sharing sessions, okay? So everything is over here and here.